check this out.
It's a 2004 545i.
Dude, this is living life of luxury.
Not bad, right?
Oh my god. Okay, so I've gotten this suggestion a couple of times from some of you to go drive other people's cars, which I don't necessarily like doing because I don't want to break somebody's car. But I have a special surprise for you guys today. This is like not what you're expecting at all. It's fairly simple, right? You've been telling me a little bit about it.
Very simple.
What is your name, by the way?
My name is Mike. Been drifting since like 06 or something.
Sick. And you were in Formula Drift too back then.
Briefly.
Whatever. So what is the car? What's like done to it? Tell me a little bit.
So
bit about it.
It's a very simple car. It's a 2004 545i. It came as a 6-speed manual car, but basically all it's done to it is coilovers, welded diff. This is kind of a big thing, I guess, but I put E90 Wisefab on it. So other than the big angle and welded diff, it's virtually stock. Today we're going to be horsing around with a 75 shot of nitrous.
What?
Too soon, Junior.
Earlier, he was telling me that he runs the AC the whole time.
Oh, AC all day.
I'm like, that's
yeah.
so sick.
So it's got to be like mid 80s, upper 80s. Today we're going to be AC.
I'm hoping this comes through on camera, but when you open the door, is it doing it?
Oh, so
The little beep? Yeah, can you guys hear this? I forget what it's like where you have the little beep from the key and stuff.
Like you can have fun in almost pro cars, pro-am cars, but like it's not the same kind of fun. So
Yeah.
this is like stay on the track for like the whole session and maybe come off once to do tires, maybe. And other than that, like it doesn't get hot, it just keeps going.
So for perspective for you guys, I'm getting pretty much on the dot 6 laps per hour session in my car. Going out, it has to freaking cool down. It uses about 1.5 gallons every lap, so I have to come in and fuel up. It's just a very like, you're working your ass off the whole time. This thing, you're just turning laps after lap. Like this is much more valuable for seat time. All right, well we're gonna go, he's gonna give me a ride in this thing, kind of tell me about it, show me how to drive it, and then I think we'll try it out ourselves. So let's do this. Oh, you're in the back. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but flat tire monitor. I'm assuming because you have the tire pressure lowered.
So like it's got all of the problems.
Oh my god.
So like these aren't real issues. That is because I switched. It had an active rack which would change the ratio basically.
It's so mad at you, dude.
It is pissed. Yeah, it's super pissed.
Just gonna ignore all that.
Right. So nitrous is on the fog light. So you just turn the fog lights on and it powers up the nitrous stuff. The amazing part is how well it actually does work. It's just well behaved. I won't say it's a perfect car, it's just well behaved.
Yeah. If this is your guys' first video that you're watching of mine, thank you for coming. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know if you guys are enjoying this style of video. I definitely would like to do more because there's so many cool drift cars out there. It's fun to check them out. That's so cool.
Yeah, it's way good.
It rips, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, you're just like big chilling over there, dude. Like
AC on.
that is so cool.
Yeah, like I said before, you don't need the e-brake. I like having. I'll be touching it now.
Yeah.
When we follow him, but I wish I had a little bit more to flick in like I want to, but it kind of slow rolls in, which is fine.
Yeah.
But everywhere else, it's almost perfect.
Yeah. So. It feels really stable, like, and that's the thing for you guys watching. Like, he's obviously a very good driver, and so you can see how smooth. But also, the car is working for him, right? And that's like a big thing. So like, if you'll pay attention to other drivers and certain things, know that sometimes it is the car that they're fighting.
Absolutely.
And you're like, it's allowing you to be so smooth.
Absolutely.
Like you're just big chilling in turn, like.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's cool to see.
My red car is like not like this.
Yeah.
I have to work every lap is at least 5 times as much input. Like,
Yeah.
A lot of clutch work, a lot of steering input. Like, they're just volatile. I like to call it volatile. This car's not. It's just super tame. It works. It's got like coffee in it or something.
Oh! Are you guys seeing this? That's so cool.
So I don't know for sure if we can get out and swap seats. We might have to go back to the pits.
Yeah, but if you want to do another one, like,
I'm good. I don't want to give it to you with like no tires and no nitrous.
Okay.
So like I want to make sure you get the full Johnny here.
for sure, for sure. At this thing.
No, it's fine.
That is a trip, dude.
It's not. Yeah, that was your first run. That's pretty good. Just roll the throttle. It's almost impossible to spin it. So like anywhere right there where you felt like it gripped up, just stay in it.
Okay.
And it'll be fine.
Okay. First impressions. I didn't do the best job, but it definitely is like easy to drive. Just completely different feeling. Like if you guys have been watching my vlogs, I haven't drifted anything but the R34 for like 2 months now. So I'm. Like I usually have other cars that I'm drifting in, but I'm so used to that thing, and this is a completely different experience. It's sick. You can definitely feel like it's stable, and you kind of just point it and it goes.
It's got a little bit more grip than you might have thought it had. So like as you let off is what kind of when it was kind of being a little volatile.
Yeah.
So if you can commit to it a little bit more, it'll be smoother.
Got it. It out of gear.
I did that once on Friday. Grabbed the e-brake, knocked it out. Dude, that was a good run.
Don't hype me up, dog. I want the true criticism.
No, that was good. That was good. Because you started tucking in on him, I was like, oh, he's feeling it. So the other thing too is you're coming from like a bunch of power, so you're probably like big power for a clutch kick and then way out of it. So on this car, it's like you do the big clutch kick, then you get all the way back in it.
True.
So like. Just commit to that throttle, and it, like I said, it's kind of hard to spin. It's not impossible. You can spin it, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Like,
no, it's super stable.
So I would just say whatever the biggest improvement is, like just commit to that throttle a little bit more and the clutch kicks and stuff, and it'll be good.
Okay. Okay, that was a freaking riot. First lap, not very good. Just getting used to it. And if you guys, like, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video, but like, it takes me a while. I don't have the experience level to where I'm just instantly trust a car. It takes me a little while for the car to kind of earn my trust and see that I'm doing all right. But like second lap, a little improvement. And then third lap, I was actually decently happy with. Entry was like, I was just like, I don't want to throw this thing into the wall. So I'm like, we'll just enter in the infield. But then we had a decent little chase on it. I feel like I need one of these. Dude, thank you so much.
Wow, man.
Like, that was really awesome.
Yeah, I want everybody to drive it because it's dumb good.
Yeah.
Like, I think it's wild. So.
No, that was a really cool experience. Thank you so much, dude.
No problem.
Do you have Instagram or any of that stuff that you want to shout out? Or
yeah,
I know you're not huge.
I'm not big on all that stuff, but I do have Instagram, MF Drift.
Guys, go check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out this video. Peace out.